You get a text message about a suspicious activity in your bank account. Double check it. Consumer experts are warning about an uptick in scam messages. Tammy Elliott has a Consumer First Alert to help you protect your money.
The FTC says reports of copycat bank fraud alerts are increasing. They want you to be on the lookout. Take a look at this example of a scam text message. It says, Wells Fargo bank fraud alert. Did you attempt to purchase at Walmart for $1,263? Reply yes or no. If you reply, you'll likely get a call from a fake fraud department. Another popular scam text says there's suspicious activity on your bank account or that your bank account is temporarily locked or suspended. And these scammers are counting on the fact that you will see this text and react out of fear. Consumer experts tell you stop and check it out. Never move or transfer your money to protect it. Never share personal information, details about your accounts, passwords, or a verification code. And don't respond to these bank security messages. Don't call back phone numbers or click on links. You want to use the number that you find on your bank statement or the number that you know that is your real bank. And it's so important to monitor your accounts. If you see any suspicious transactions, even small amounts, you want to report this to your bank or credit union immediately. The Federal Trade Commission says in 2023, consumers lost more than $10 billion due to fraud, and that's up 14% from the year before. So if you lost money, report it. Tell the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov, and we have more links for you at WBAY.com. You'll look under Consumer First Alert. And remember to share this advice. It could help protect your friends and their money. Tammy Elliott, Action 2 News.